Hello everyone, welcome to the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenges from FreeCodeCamp, which I am going through for a while. I've already gone through the basic algorithm scripting challenges. You can check them out if you want to. So today we're gonna do Steamroller. Steamroller is basically an algorithm where we have to flatten all arrays within the argument that we are provided with. So let's say, for example, we have an array here as an input, so as an argument, and the first element of the array is a number. The second element is an array with a number on it. The third element is a number within an array, and the fourth element is a number within an array, within the same array as 3, so as the third element. Now we have to we actually have to remove the arrays, the inner arrays basically, so that we have a flat array. So what I did here was I first flattened the array like this, so all the first level. Let me just see, I'm gonna comment this out. Let me just see, if I return flatten array like it is right now, okay, we see that the first level of array nesting is gone. So we got an array here that got removed, and the array that was containing 3 and 4 got removed, but still the double nested array that is containing our fourth number, they are still there. So that's something that we have to take care about. And how we would do that is by going again into this function. So concurrency, like concurrency is a very important topic in JavaScript, and for that matter in all programming languages, understanding the JavaScript concurrency model. So you just go again into the same function. That's basically what it means. So basically, if one element is still an array and we test that with sum is a JavaScript method that will return true if at least one element in the array fulfills a condition. So in our case, the condition is array is array. So if one element is an array, is still an array, then ternary operator, very weird query symbol. That means that only then we would rerun this function with the flattened array. So what we got here. And otherwise, if there is no more array nesting, if there is no more nested array inside, then we just return the flattened array. Cool. When we run the tests, we pass them. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments below. I would really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you keep yourself updated on my videos. There is a ton more that is coming, not only coding videos, but all types of videos. I'm curious, Nico, and I'm genuinely curious about a wide variety of topics. So yeah, you are welcome to join my crew. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.